Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2014 Mathematics Past Question 2. Find the value of 110111 base 2 plus 10100 base 2. Now, we are asked to find the value of this, that is the addition of 110111 in base 2 plus 10100 in base 2. Now, like every other base, or like in base 10, we'll do a normal addition in base 2 now for this case, because we are giving these numbers in base 2. Now 1 plus 0 will give us 1, 1 plus 0 will give us 1. Now 1 plus 1 will give us 2. Now we can't write 2 here because what? We are doing addition in base 2. So now, since we have 1 plus 1 to give us 2, we will now say that how many times can this 2, can the base now, which is 2, go into 2, and that is what? That is once. Then remainder 0. So we write the remainder here 0 and pick that 1, which is the number of times 2 can go into the number, and bring the 1 here. So we have 1 now plus 0 to give us what? To give us 1. Now 1 plus 1 again will give us 2. How many times can 2 go into 2? That is 1, remainder 0. We'll put the 1 here and then put the 0, which is the remainder. 1 plus 1 again will give us 2. How many times can 2 go into this 2? That is what? Once. We put the 1 here, then remainder 0. Then now we bring this 1 down. So we have 1001011 base 2, and that is option D. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.